How to create YouTube thumbnail in Canva. First, go to canva.com and log in into your account, and this is the interface you're going to get. Once you're over here, you just want to search for YouTube thumbnail like this. Once you search for YouTube thumbnail, it's going to give you a lot of templates which you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. All right, so wait for some time. It's going to run a search real quick, and as you guys can see, this is all the template for the YouTube thumbnail. You can choose whichever template you want, but I'm just going to go for this one. Once you choose the template, click on customize this template. Once you choose this, it's going to show up. Now from here, you can edit the text if you want, or you can even edit the small individual text. You can also remove this person in the background if you want to, or you can completely change the background. After you're done with any edits you want using your template, just click on share, and then over here, wait for some time. You're going to see a download button. Once you see the download button, click on it and download your thumbnail and upload it on YouTube. That's how you guys can create the thumbnail using Canva. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.